Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to type instantly without using any keyboard. Once upon a time, it was so much difficult to type every word using keyboard. But now you can easily type anything but not using your keyboard. You will just speak and computer will help you to type everything for you. Even you can easily choose language from here. Suppose I am choosing my own language, Bangla. Scroll down please and you will find different languages. See, this is my own language. I am selecting this language, Bangla, Bangladesh. Now I will switch on the microphone again and start speaking for composing everything from my speaking. Okay, let's see. এখানে আমি যা বলবো তা সবকিছু লেখা হয়ে যাবে। আমাকে কষ্ট করে আর কিবোর্ড ব্যবহার করে লিখতে হবে না। দেখুন, আমি যা বলছি তাই লেখা হয়ে যাচ্ছে। কত সুন্দর প্রোগ্রাম, কোনো কষ্ট করতে হচ্ছে না। একসময় আমরা কিবোর্ড ব্যবহার করতাম টাইপ করার জন্য, কিন্তু এখন কত সুন্দর কিবোর্ড ব্যবহার করা লাগে না, ইজিলি টাইপ হয়ে যায়। Okay, my dear viewers, now I am showing you how to type instantly without using any keyboard. That means from our speaking, the computer will help us to type everything for us. Okay, let me show it. I am closing the program. For doing this, you will just need Google Chrome browser and nothing else. If you are using laptop, there is built-in microphone, no problem. But if you are using computer, you will need a microphone and attach the microphone with your computer and nothing else. Okay, then just you will open Google Chrome browser. I am opening Google Chrome browser and you have to log in Google Chrome browser using your Gmail ID. I have already logged in, and just after this icon you will see some of the three dots are here, and you will just click on it and you will get this option. See here, there are different options, and from these icons you will just select docs. I am clicking on docs, going to Google Docs. If you do not find it, you can go to Google Drive and you will get that option there, or you can just write this type of address in the address bar of the browser and you will get Google Docs document. From this Google Docs document, I am selecting a blank document. I am clicking blank. Here is the Google Docs document, and this type of Google Doc document is exactly similar to Microsoft Word document. And from this program, if you like to compose anything without using your keyboard, how to do this? At first, go to Tools menu and see here Voice Typing option. You can click Voice Typing option from Tools menu, or you can directly press Ctrl plus Shift plus S from your keyboard. I am clicking here. Okay, I have got this option. See here, this is the option. If you click this microphone button, then this program will be ready for typing anything from your speaking. But one thing is very important here. You have to select your language, but every language is not given there. See, many of the languages are set there. I am selecting at first English. See here, I am selecting English United Kingdom. Okay, then I will talk. Just click this microphone button and start speaking. When your speaking will be over, just stop your microphone. See here, I am starting. It is very easy to type anything without using our keyboard. Once upon a time, we were bound to use keyboard for typing anything, and it was a very difficult job. But now we can easily compose anything, anytime, instantly without using our keyboard. It is very simple, it is very easy, and it is very interesting. Okay, Up to here I have already spoken, and if I like to use other types of language, then I can easily choose. Okay, my dear viewers, from here you can choose your own language if it is available there. Okay, I am trying to select my own language. See here, my own language is Bangla. Yes, Bangla is there. Bangla, Bangladesh. Bangla, Bharat. But I am selecting my own language, Bangla, Bangladesh. Then I will speak something in Bangla. Then after selecting your language, then you will switch on this icon. And when your speaking will be over, you will just switch off. I am starting switch on. আমি বাংলা বলছি, যেসব বাংলা বলছি সবগুলোই অটোমেটিক্যালি লেখা হয়ে যাচ্ছে। দেখুন কত সহজেই লেখা হয়ে যায়, কত দ্রুত লেখা হয়ে যায়। একসময় অনেক কষ্ট করে লিখতে হতো, এখন আর লেখার প্রয়োজন হয় না, যা বলি তাই কম্পোজ হয়ে যায়, কিবোর্ড ছাড়াই কম্পোজ হয়ে যায়। দেখুন কত চমৎকার প্রোগ্রাম। We can easily edit this type of text. Suppose I am selecting this text and I can set alignment, left alignment, middle alignment, that means center alignment, right alignment, and justified. I am selecting justified. Yes, see here I can edit anything just like the Word document, and I can increase the font size slightly, then this one also. If you like to use different types of colors, you can choose here. See this type of colors. You can do anything just like the Word document. Okay, and finally, how to save this type of text? You can directly select all this text and right click on it and copy, and going to Word file you can directly paste it. I am selecting Word file, blank document, and I am pasting. Ctrl plus V or C, keep source formatting. Okay, see here, just I'm enlarging the size. See, everything is possible. Now it has become a part of Word document, and here using our Word document, Microsoft Word document, we can do anything, and we can save it, or we can do anything. We can save this document like this, test. Okay, where to save? On desktop. Yes, save. I am saving it on desktop, or in other way we can save it. See, I am going back to the program. Yes, we have to go to file menu. See here, download. Here you will get different types of options. You can directly go to Word document, or you can save this document as rich text format, or you can save all this document as PDF file, HTML file, like this. Okay, I am saving it as PDF file. Yes, but I like to save it on desktop. Yes, here is desktop. Its name will be test.pdf. Start download. Yes, most probably it has been downloaded. If the antivirus program shows this type of warning, you can allow this because it is your own creation. So I am allowing it. Okay, got it. Continue. Now I am going back. I am closing it. See, I have already saved the document. See here, the document as PDF. Yes, this is the PDF file that we have already made, not by using our keyboard, but from our speaking, we have composed everything. Okay, then see here, the other one is test document here. Yes, the same thing, see here. And you can now edit or do anything. So it is very simple. You can share it with your friends, and you can save your valuable time by using Google Docs document. You can compose anything instantly without using any keyboard. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.